Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a Jira task in 2025. Jira changes its layout every now and then, so yeah, let's go step by step and make this super simple. First, open the task you want to delete. You can search for it or just, click through your backlog or board to find it. Before you try deleting anything, make sure your project role actually allows deletions. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means you need to ask your Jira admin to enable that permission. All right, once you're in the task, look for the More Actions menu. It's usually shown as three dots in the top right of the issue. Click it to open the dropdown. In the dropdown, choose Delete. Jira will pop up a confirmation box just to make sure you're not removing something by accident. Go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, the task is gone for good. There's no recycle bin or undo in Jira, so yeah, double check before deleting anything important. If you're not totally sure about deleting something, you can ask your admin about archiving options. It's safer since you can still reference the issue later if needed. And that's pretty much everything you need to delete a Jira task in 2025. If this helped, feel free to check out the other Jira tips on the channel. Thanks for watching.